Wrap your feet in foil and wait an hour. Look what happens. Aluminum foil is one of the products that is never missing at home, as it is commonly used in the kitchen. But interestingly, this is not the only use you can give aluminum foil. There are other ways to use it, such as wrapping it in your feet. Could you have imagined? This and other uses we will let you know next. Surely more than one you will get to put into practice, since aluminum foil always have it available at home. Uses you can give aluminum foil. 1. End the colds. When the cold season starts, you can use it to treat many cold symptoms without medicine. All you have to do is wrap your feet in 5-7 sheets of foil and leave it at least 1 hour. Let your feet breathe for 2 hours and repeat the process. The improvement is not instantaneous, but you can notice it in a couple of days. 2. Relieve burns. Not many people know that aluminum foil is better than other remedies when it comes to curing burns. Studies even recommend that doctors treat recent burns with this paper. First, you have to pour water on the burn, carefully clean the wound, and dry it with a clean towel. After applying a little ointment and putting on a clean gauze, wrap the wound in foil and seal it with tape. Try not to move too much and wait for the pain to go away. 3. Helps against fatigue and tiredness. With this technique you will be able to replace the exhausted energy in the day. Just cut some strips of foil and then place them in the freezer. Remove them after 2 or 3 hours and place them on the cheeks and eyelids. You will immediately feel the muscles relax. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.
Yeah.